Yeah, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, let's get into some market insights for today. How we trade inside our community, and also some tricks, okay, and hacks when doing top-down analysis. So this video is mainly for top-down analysis, whereby top-down analysis is by what finding clarity when it comes to what trading and investing. Okay, so we try to break down from the higher time frame, okay, to the lower time frame, okay, to find clarity. And the time frame, that's what gives us got the enough concrete information. We don't break down to the time frame that is below it, okay. So at the point that we find clarity in the market, we stop what breaking down to what lower time frame, okay. That means we have a frame for our trend analysis, a frame for our technical analysis, and a frame for an entry analysis. So when we get to our entry analysis, we are okay, breaking down to another lower time frame. Okay, so if that is clear, let's get to the chart. And as you can see, we are on the monthly time frame on the Euro USD, and technically breaking down from the higher time from the lower time frame, you have to check how market is really moving. Okay, so we have what we call the mass psychology. Okay, mass psychology is a whole concept inside our community, and let's break down a bit for the mass psychology. Okay, so for the mass psychology, when we have an impulsive move like this to the upside, okay, something like this, we have what we have what our swing high and our swing low. Okay, and our swing low. Okay, so what is the mass psychology? The mass psychology concept is that whenever price get to this high or this low, what happened? We are going to have a breakout, okay? Or probably what we will do is what we visit this high, okay? And people will be expecting for more buys. The same thing happens here when market get to this low, okay? Mass psychology. What mass psychology means what the 99% are doing, okay? Or what most trading books what teaches about. Okay, so when price get to this low, the mass psychology concept is whenever we wait for a break and what a retest, then we continue on, okay? But in reality, okay, sometimes the textbook structure really works, which is the mass psychology concept, but most of the time, okay, it tends to be a fake out. Okay, so this is what we look inside the community, the mass psychology concept, where whenever price really visit to this highs and lows, what do we wait for? We probably wait for what? Liquidity to clear people out, okay. And after clearing people out, what we expect is for the price to come inside back into um our resistance level, okay. Then price coming into it back, we wait for a corrective pattern, okay. Then we take another sell to the next low. So you know that with this style of trading, the market actually waits for what tags for highs and lows, okay. Whenever price is moving, it's looking for the best or price, okay, in order for it to move. So we tag what a significant what highs and lows. So after targeting this high, mass psychology, people will be expecting for more buys. This is when one price shift massively inside, and what we wait for a corrective pattern, then we target the next low. So this also happened to the same thing that happens when the market visits what a low at this spot. Okay, so mass psychology, we break this structure. Most people trading books will be waiting for what direct test the fall, okay. But with the mass psychology concept, whereby people are waiting for what we call the rate test, we are waiting for what, if we are waiting for price to come in solid what impulsive move, tagging people for what, for the sales, tagging them wrong, clearing them out, then later what we correct, whereby this corrective pattern will look more like people will also be going for the break and the rate test, so they are waiting for more sell, then later we visit the next high. Okay, so this is basically what we call the mass psychology concept. And um this is how I can explain it now for here, and those inside the community really understand um, what we mean, okay, about the mass psychology concept. This trading strategy really works well for us, and that's just by the way. So let's get to the charts now with the top down analysis, okay. So looking at how prices with are acting now, okay, with the mass psychology concept. So remember, looking at how what is happening over here. So this is our low, okay. So we've tagged this low, okay, and people are what expecting what a retest and what a fall, okay. But there, in the case that what we have the solid move now, okay. So what are we expecting? So remember, price always likes to visit with highs and lows. So after tagging this low, what is the almost significant next high on the monthly time frame over here? Okay, so this is very, very simple. So looking at this structure over here, what are we expecting? We're expecting price to what, after tagging this low, we're expecting this high to tag on a higher time frame, whereby there's going to be a very massive buy order coming in now for the Euro USD. Okay, so looking at this structure on the monthly time frame, looking at how this impulsively move looks, we are waiting for a corrective pattern, whereby see how this impulsive move took some months now, and the corrective pattern delayed. Okay, so if this took about let's say 6 months, we have to stay in a corrective pattern more than what a double of this 6 months, making 12 months, 12 months plus. Okay, 12 months, 13 months, 14 months going. We have to stay in a corrective pattern for a very long time. That confirms that what we are waiting for, the impulse, the corrective structure here. So the impulse, so let's try it and make it more clear. So you have this impulse, the corrective structure of what a ABC pattern, okay, then probably the next impulse. So this is how we are seeing it. So the mass psychology, people are expecting more drop, but we are anticipating for this our buy move to come in. Okay, so let's scale into the lower time frame also for more clarity. So on the weekly time frame, ladies and gentlemen, this is how this pair is actually reacting. So based on our monthly what swing points, okay, swing high and the swing low that was cleared over here at this point. Okay, so looking at here, okay, whereby this impulsive move came, we are in a sideways now, which is a corrective pattern. So now on the weekly time frame also, we've cleared a significant high. So remember, whenever highs are cleared, okay, probably we have to clear another lows. Okay, so clearing this high, we're expecting what this on the weekly time frame. Okay, so this even gives us a clear confirmation on the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame, looking at the high over here, so let's clear the monthly overview. Okay, so looking at now, this is what we have to, guys, we have to pay a clear attention now with the top down analysis over here. So with our what daily low being cleared, what comes into mind? Okay, and our daily high. Okay, yes, so this looks so good. So this is how we are seeing the Euro USD currently. Okay, so let's move back on the monthly. So on the monthly, you can see how we cleared this low. Okay, so we are waiting for a buy to push prices. So on the weekly too, we have a low being cleared. So we are waiting for it and impulsively move inside and waiting for a corrective pattern to target what this high and then higher time frame. This will confirm the monthly higher time frame, whereby we can get more buys to the upside. So you see how we are really scaling into the lower time frame, looking for more trading opportunities based on how we analyze or how we see the market. Okay, so on the daily time frame, ladies and gentlemen, after clearing this high, you can see after clearing this high around here. Okay, so this is when what we are waiting for what, and what a massive impulsively move, okay, to come in. So we are expecting more daily push, okay, a more daily push to come to this area. Okay, so whenever we get this area is being cleared. mhm. So let's try and draw a line over here. Okay, okay, something like this is okay. So after clearing this area, okay, an impulsively buy move. So now see, this is the reason why we don't trade all the time, okay, in um in our community, but this strategy actually works on every time frame. Okay, so you can capitalize this also on the smaller time frame, whereby you can get trading opportunities based on the time frame on the 1 hour 15 minutes, even on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so so this way on the higher time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame, looking at this, okay, so you're waiting for what a more daily push, okay, also to give us an impulsive move after clearing what this low. Okay, so clearing this low, mass psychology, people are expecting a retest back then a fall, but we are watching that price is what actually need to attack this high. Okay, so now what are we expecting? So this massive move coming in, we expected something like this and a corrective pattern which will spend more than what days, a whole lot of days, because if this impulsive is going to take, let's say, 5 days, we're expecting a corrective pattern that will spend more than 9 to 10 days or even to 15 days. Okay, another corrective pattern that we target what a long buy, whereby this buy can go massively towards to our next high. So this is how we are looking on the Euro USD based on what top down analysis. Okay, so going to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, yes, so this is how we are seeing it now. So now we are just watching carefully, okay, how we, after tagging this what daily low, okay, tagging this daily low, we are waiting how what we are going to clear this high, get a corrective pattern, okay, that we can capitalize on a massive buy. So this is a very just short what a very short insightful video on how what price or the mass psychology concept, whereby price what tags several highs and what several lows in the market. Okay, so knowing this, okay, so this is how we are watching the Euro USD. So we are waiting for what a massive what buy to come in. Okay, this buy, let's clear this area, then we target what a corrective pattern, then what we wait for what an impulsive move to the upside. Okay, so when price visits here, okay, and we actually get what we, the impulsive move comes in, okay, and market don't correct. Okay guys, let's market what we don't get the corrective pattern here, then actually we'll be expecting for a sell, whereby this is going to be the alternative. Okay, so for we take only sells, okay, when price visits here. Okay, and then we have another sharp impulsively move inside. Okay, that means the mass psychology clearing people for buy. The same thing, okay, clearing people for buy. So people will be going for buy. Immediately we have a sharp move coming here. Okay, then a corrective. Okay, then the mass psychology is going to play out for the sell. Okay, so this is very very simple mass psychology concept, tagging a significant high, a massive move coming in back into that trend. Okay, then a corrective pattern that we get the more sells. Okay, whereby sometimes the corrective pattern can either give us even a double top over here for a reversal. That will be a very good what reversal pattern for us, or either what a short form M over here, then what we fall. So this is how we are seeing it on the both side of the market, either a buy or a sell. But this is an alternative, and our main move is what we are waiting for, what an impulsive move, a corrective pattern, then we take another impulse based on a daily and a monthly structure. Okay, so thank you guys and girls. This is how sometimes what we call the mass psychology concept actually means. And if you're interested in joining us in our community, if you love how we analyze markets, how we interpret the market, you can watch down there the link below. You can join us by following the link, and you can reach to us also in our community. So we'll end this video for now, and thank you guys and girls.